How to check CPU health easily. You are interested in how to check CPU health easily, right? So let's go together. Shared.com. Look forward to seeing this article right here. Forming a complete and workable computer requires a combination of many components. However, to ensure that the components can be used for a long time, you need to check them regularly. How to check CPU health easily will help you find out how to check the current status of the CPU, and see if there are any errors or not. What is CPU? The Central Processing Unit, abbreviated as CPU, is the Central Processing Unit. For computers, the CPU is likened to the brain, where all information, operations, and data will be calculated and given commands to control all operations of the machine. CPU is divided into two main blocks: Control Unit, CU, Control Unit. Requests and operations from users are translated into machine language for processing. Calculation Block, ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. Mathematical and logical numbers are carefully calculated to give results for further processing. Instructions for checking the CPUs of computers and laptops. Why check the CPU of a computer or laptop? This is a question asked by many users. Checking the laptop's CPU helps you know exactly what hardware is being equipped when you want to repair or replace. Checking the CPU will make choosing a new CPU for your computer much simpler. This is the next information in how to check CPU health easily. There are many ways to test the CPU for a computer. Check with properties. Use the code dxdiag. Use the msinfo 32 inches command. Use Intel Power Gadget software. Use command prompt. Using system information. Use Task Manager. Processor diagnostic tool. CPU health check tool. CPU is a very important component on a computer. A strong or weak computer will depend a lot on this component. Therefore, it is also one of the most expensive components of a computer. The CPU is also a pretty powerful component in a computer. And it's very rare for a computer to fail that the fault is caused by this component. But after all, it is an electronic component, so it can completely fail as usual. Therefore, you should check the CPU's health more often to take remedial, treatment, or replacement measures so that the work is not interrupted. True to its name, Processor Diagnostic Tool is a tool that allows you to check as well as make diagnostics about the health of the CPU. The principle of operation is also very simple. The software will perform the tests that Intel has programmed on its CPU in turn. If any test fails, it will immediately notify you. This is the next information in how to check CPU health easily. Processor Diagnostic Tool User Manual. Step 1. First, you visit the download page of Intel Processor Diagnostic Tool here, recommended because it is always the latest version. Or the backup link here, the version that I used to guide this article. Then accept the terms of use to download the IPDT version that matches the 32-bit or 64-bit Windows operating system you are using. Step 2. After downloading, open the file IPDT_installer_xxx.x. In this window, click Install to start the process of installing the Intel Registered Processor Diagnostic Tool on Windows 10. Right after that, all the installation steps will be done by Windows and you just have to wait. Step 3. Because this tool is very light, the installation takes place quite quickly. When this complete installation window appears, check the line Launch Intel Processor Diagnostic Tool 64-bit. Then click Finish to run this application after installation. This is the next information in how to check CPU health easily. Step 4. As soon as the application is turned on, the user interface window is displayed. And the CPU health check process is automatically started. This interface has quite a few different parts. So I will explain each to you, each one for you to better understand and grasp it in a specific way. First, the result and config boxes on the right side are a list of the tests your CPU will have to perform. Cell CPU1 right below is the CPU's test execution process. And the test summary on the left side is where the test execution results, fail or pass, are returned. During the test, you should not play games or do heavy work such as render, edit video, or stress test with other software to avoid directly affecting the test results. However, it is best not to do anything. Turn off all applications and software running on the computer before testing to give the most accurate results. And if the computer crashes during the test, don't worry. There is no virus or anything, it is running at 100% capacity to pass the tests given by IDPT. Step 4. The test process is also quite fast, about 3 to 4 minutes to have the results already. If all results are pass with the word pass on a green background in the test summary box, you are done. Your CPU has passed all the tests and is working perfectly fine.